Good evening and namaskar to all the viewers. My name is Amit Bajaj and I'm the founder and leader of GG Daily West. Nidhi ma'am, please
I
introduce
am
yourself.
I'm Nidhi Bhagra, co-leader of GEG Delhi West.
So in years 2020 and 2021, we all have learned and explored lot many online teaching and learning tools. Now in 2022, GG Daily West is back with more exciting and useful sessions for you all. We are committed to learn, share, inspire, and empower each other. May I now request every one of you to kindly introduce yourself in the chat box. You may write your name, your city, your school, the subject you teach, maybe your Twitter handle so that we can follow you. The recording of the sessions will be available at our YouTube channel. The question answer sessions will take place at the end of this session. So please write down any question, any query in the chat box. We'll be making a record of the same. The feedback come participation certificate link will be shared at the end of this session. So stay tuned. May I now request Nidhi ma'am to kindly introduce our session expert of the day, Meena ma'am.
Sure, sir. A wonderful
Hello,
evening to
everyone.
all of you. I hope you are staying healthy and safe. May the new year bless you with health, peace, and happiness. Meena ma'am is with us today, and we are related to inform you that she has joined GEG Delhi West as a co-leader. We
Thank you.
wholeheartedly welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Mrs.
I'm
Meena
very happy
Bagga.
to join GEG Delhi West.
Thank you, ma'am. Mrs. Meena Bagga is a passionate mathematics educator with 25 years of teaching experience. She is a Google certified educator level 1 and 2 and cleared Edpuzzle level 1. She's always enthusiastic to share her learnings with other educators. She actively participates in different workshops and webinars for teachers. And today, ma'am is going to tell us about a wonderful curation tool called Wakelet that allows you to save, organize, tell stories, and share content from around the web. Imagine this: teachers handpick resources and blended learning tools for students to interact within the class. Students no longer have to twiddle their thumbs and wonder which website might work without glitches or interruption. With the click of a button, an embedded link leads students to focus projects and activities created by the teacher in the lesson plan. Do you think it is possible? Yes, it is possible with Wakelet. This tool can help change the collaboration, creation, and organization of learning in a classroom. If you have not done so, take the time to quickly learn this easy to use tool. Without further delay, I request Meena ma'am to start her presentation. We will be
Thank you,
backstage.
ma'am.
Over to you,
Thank
Meena
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And
One
there's
thing
one
I just want to add.
information I would like to inform. Meena ma'am is now Google certified trainer as well.
Right,
When we
right.
shared her
That's
profile
great.
with us,
That's a
she
great
was
Thank
news.
only
you, sir.
level
Thank
2
you.
educator. So now
Yeah.
she's a Google certified trainer as well. Yeah.
Oh,
Wonderful.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Yes. Hello, everyone. Before starting my session, I just want to ask two, three questions from all of you. Uh, During the physical classes, we have so many resources, hard copies of sample papers, books, etc. with us. But now, during the period of online classes, we have more resources to save, more resources to share with our student, more resources to share with our colleagues. I hope you all agree with it. Just type in chat box if you are agree or not. We now have more resources to share with each other. Yes or no? Please, Nidhi ma'am, look into the chat box, please.
Sure, ma'am.
I hope there are some answer, yes or no. All are agree with me or not. That in online medium, we are to save more resources with us.
Yes, ma'am. Completely agree with all the viewers have answered. Yes, they completely agree with what you said.
And now I just want to ask which resources you want to save. Nidhi ma'am, please share the link in the chat box so that everyone can answer this question. What kind of resources you need to save? Please click on the link and just add whatever material resources you want to save with you. I hope, Nidhi ma'am, you have shared the link in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. Should I share this Wakelet link?
No, Mentimeter link, ma'am.
Centimeter. Sure, ma'am. I'm just sharing it.
I request all the participants to please give your feedback. What kind of resources you need to save?
I would like to tell that I have already shared the resource in the comment box. So please, all of you
What
can check
kind of
out.
resources you want to save? Just this, you can give 6 options: projects, video, website, notes, worksheets, online, PPT. Yes, definitely PPT also, PDFs also, simulations, copies of students, yes, PDF files or documents, any kind of document, either Word, either Google Doc or PPT, Excel sheets. Yes. Yes. One more question is there for all of you. If you have submitted this question, there is another question with all of you. Yes, Google's classroom links, Google Slides. Yes, definitely. Text, documents, everything. There are so many material now with us, which we want to save. We want to organize. We want to share. There are so many resources now. Please submit it. And one more question is there: how you save these resources? How you save these resources? Just submit it and come to the next question. How you submit it, how you save it, how you save and organize your resources. Please, after submitting the previous question, you might have got the next question. I hope everyone is getting, ma'am. Yes. Google Drive. Yes, Google Drive. Mostly we use Google Drive, Google Doc, bookmark. We can bookmark. We use folder through document file. Yes. Google Drive folder. Yes, we can create folder in Google Drive. PDF on clouds. Yes, OneDrive cloud. Yes, Wakelet also. One answer I have got so far: Wakelet, Google Drive. Most of the persons are using Google Drive to save, and definitely we can create folders in Google Drive, no issue. But believe me, the tool I am going to share with all of you, that is Wakelet. This is very organized tool. We can keep just like our different notebooks for different classes, different folders for different classes. Let me just show you once the collection I have for my own self. Let me just show you once the collection. Yes, I hope you all are watching my screen, in which you are watching the Wakelet, Conquer Mathematics, Meena Bagga. I think, Nidhi ma'am, my screen is visible, I hope, to everyone.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible. It's visible,
Let
ma'am.
me just let you all know how I am myself using Wakelet. This is the home screen of Wakelet, and believe me, it is totally free. You can create collection as much as you can. This is the home page, but you are watching the left window. If I'm opening this, 12th class Concord Mathematics, every material of my 12th class is here in this collection. I have just opened one collection space. A space in the Wakelet is the collection. This is 12th class space in which I have kept each and every chapter, collected each and every chapter's video notes. Let me just open one collection so that I can show you how beautifully it can be created. You can see this is one of my collection in the space of 12th class mathematics, the matrices chapter. I teach mathematics and I have my own channel, Conquer Mathematics. I have put all videos there and I am sharing all lectures with student, and after that I am sharing notes, even notes with student through the same collection. I just have to share single link with the student. They can watch each and every whatever they want. They can click on this and it will open from here itself. In this way they can move to next. There is a flow of study through lectures, or after that they even can go to the quizzes, they can go to the notes. These are just lectures till now. After that I have put in all my notes here and even quizzes for the students. Let me just open so that it moves quickly, because there are so many videos. After that I have given link of each and every material useful for the students. These are notes. These are different notes. They can directly click here and they can go to my sites and watch notes there. From there they can study, they can get the book resources. Every resources I have kept for my students in the site. They can open the books from there, they can watch the quizzes from there, they can open everything from a single link. They can use each and everything here from this single link. Let me come back. This is just one of the collection in the space of 12th mathematics. This is my another collection, that is 11th class mathematics. I can put collection of each chapter separately. In each collection there are so many videos and notes. I can put my own learning in a space. When I was learning for Google Certified Level 2, I have just created this space. Even I can show you my own learning here. My certificates I have put here. I can show from here itself whatever I have learned recently. I have put it here. I can show from here. If I just have to share with my administration or anyone ask me about my learning, I can share with a single link. I just have to share a single link with them. They can see from that only each and every my learning. These are some more mathematics sites. This is, you can see the space name here, mathematics. These are art integration, IMO, ICT tools in maths. This is my own collection. This is not published collection. You can see here profile unpublished. I have not published this. This is for my own, but this is published collection. Let me just show you here. This is published collection you are watching here. And collections, in this collection there are 17 collection and 2 members. I have shared with some other also. The 2 members are there already, and I can set the space from here, but I will show you that later on. But first we will create. These are different collection. CBSE trainings, we are bound to do 50 hours CBSE trainings. I myself is doing, and I am keeping all those videos here. These are my personal meditation, etc., soulful videos. And yes, this again I want to share. This is also one of my collection, but with some other ID. And if just I want to show you, if we share something with other, that means as a collaborator, if we ask anybody else to contract with us and to do work, suppose 11th class 2 teachers are teaching and we want to share our resources in the same place, we can do like this. I have shared this with me myself, but if I just show you, the member you add here can only create a new collection but cannot delete my work. Cannot delete my work. That is totally safe to share. There is nothing link which allow me to delete. But when we create the new one, I will show whatever we can add in a collection, we can even delete also. So this is just one of my collection. Let me go back and we will create a new collection. But before that, I just want to introduce Wakelet properly. What exactly Wakelet is? Wakelet is nothing but a platform which allow us to create our resources in a collection form. Either those resources are from our own created or from website or from any other resource. We can create, we can save, we can share with our students, we can share with our colleagues, and we can share with our families also. Yes, we can plan any tour etc with family using Backlit only. We are just to click send a single link with them to share all this. Yes, we can use it to share resources with students. We can use it to share important circular with colleagues, with families we can use, and even for personal use. You have just seen that I can save the videos which heals me. I save that in a collection. Yes. Nidhi ma'am, is there any query till now?
No, ma'am. It's going great. As of now, there is no query, ma'am.
Okay. This is one of the
Everybody is
slide from the,
appreciating about
yes
the
ma'am.
content which you have shown. So everybody has mentioned that they love the way you have organized the content and the way it's organized. So everybody is appreciating that. I would like to mention.
Thank you, ma'am. And believe me, everyone can do, and it is really very useful place, very useful app to use. Yes, this is a slide from the Wakelet itself. These are suggested activities we can do. But once we are familiar with a tool, I think we can use in any way we like. There is no restriction we can use. There are some of the uses I am not going to read. You can see one of some of these here. I have already discussed the main which we want to use. What I have just asked you what resources you want to save, because I want to share with you that there is no such resource which we cannot add in Wakelet. Believe me, we can add any kind of thing, web links, text notes, we can write directly there, we can add images, we can add videos, we can add social media posts from Twitter. There is direct integration. PDF we can add. We can add any drive file, whatever file is there in our drive, we can share in through Wakelet also. We can put there. It is integrated with Twitter. You can directly put your Twitter there. You can use Flipgrid directly from the Wakelet. YouTube link you can directly put from there. And Google Drive, OneDrive, and Creative Cloud Express. These 6 things are directly integrated with the Wakelet. You can directly get the link from there and put it there. I will just show you when I will give the demo. Flipgrid, I think you all know, this is a session app, and this Cloud Express, something wrong with my screen is visible, Nidhi ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. It is visible. Your PowerPoint presentation is visible.
Yes. What are
Slide
its
present.
benefits? Yes, thank you, ma'am, Nidhi ma'am. What are its benefit? All features are totally free, 100% free. These are not that key. You can create 10 collection or 20 collection or 50 collection. You can create unlimited collection. There is no restriction. And definitely as an educator, we are concerned with safety of the students, and this is totally safe and secure. There is no harm. We can directly connect to the classroom also. Whether Microsoft Team or Google Classroom, we can directly connect to that. I will just show you. And we can create any number of collection. There is no restriction. And we can collaborate with our teachers, which is very, very important if 2-3 teachers are teaching same subjects in a school. These are benefits we can get from the Wakelet. How to create? We are just to go to the site www.wakelet.com. We are just to sign up as we do for any other app and just to start. Let us just go to the site and start. You are just to type www.wakelet.com. It is myself recommending. I'm just now to create another Wakelet through my new ID. Yes. Sign up here. It is asking me sign up here. I hope Nidhi ma'am, site is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Sign up for free. It is asking. I have clicked on that. Continue with Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, email, whatever you want, you can try. I usually do with Google. It is my account. You can yourself see it is created very quickly. Yes, this is created. Just it is created, and it whatever collection I will create here, it will automatically save. I no need to do anything for saving any collection of mine. Yes, if we know anyone's collection directly, we can search here. This is the home page of the Wakelet. If we want to explore whatever collections are there in public domain, we can go here and search. There are so many collections. I think my network is quite slow. That's why, yes, I have opened one. You can see such type of collections are there. Very useful collections are there. Let me just search some calculus. Okay, let me just type one of the topic of mathematics. You will see there will be collections. You can directly go into the collections created by others, and they have publicized this. They have put in public domain. You can directly use it. You can see for your reference, for students reference, you can go. You can explore others collection also. Yes, after exploration there is classroom. Yes, if you want to integrate your classroom here in the Wakelet, you are just to click here. There is no classroom right now. You are just to create classroom. It is asking me Google Classroom. With Google Classroom you want, you with Microsoft, with Clever, whatever is the platform provided by school to you, you can create using that. I am using my personal. I can create using Google Classroom. But in this account there is no classroom, so I am leaving it here now. You can try it yourself. I think once from where we can go, you can create yourself. I just want to come to home page also. I can click on here also, and one feature is there also. Just clicking on this Wakelet word, I can come back anytime. In any page I can come back to the home page. This is my profile, and this three dot is the main menu. View public profile. Public profile, how one can see. This is my public profile. Others are saying, yes, what I can do here, added profile. By adding profile, I can add any image here. I can add any image here from my upload any image or choose from the library. Wakelet itself provide very beautiful images to use in. Yes, you can see there are so many images to use. This is so beautifully created. You can even change this image also. You can even, I have to apply it. It will be saved here. Change profile image. You can upload from your computer. You can remove if already there. You can reposition. You can change the position also. You can try it yourself. You can write your name and the main website or link you want here. And yes, you can write something about yourself here in the bio. Yes, this plus link you are watching, just clicking on this, your links. Yeah, You can create your links, Twitter handle, Facebook, everything, whatever you want to put, you can put 4 links here and save. Even there is a choice, you can create any section by your own self also. You can give any title, whatever, something about you or anything you want to add in profile. You can do like this. You can add a section. Suppose I am saying words, just I am giving a title randomly. You can create this like this and you can work on it. This is the how you can create your profile. I'm just saving the single one. You can try it yourself. This is your imagination, how beautifully you can arrange. I have to come back to my home page. Again, 3 dots I am clicking. View spaces. Spaces, I have just talked to about my own spaces. You can see from here, view spaces. There is single space, and this is the space which I have shared with my some other ID. I have just shown you. The same collection is here. I myself is a member in that collection, and I can open, I can show you again that I cannot delete anything from here, but I can add. I cannot delete anything. There is no button to delete anything. Just, yes. Google Forms, or also we can add to the Wakelet collection. Let me go back. Yes. This is the space. You can either watch from here, from this 3 dot, or you can watch from here, and you can even pop up from here also. These are our collection of collections, spaces. Account setting you can do from here. Yes. Let me just show you one thing. Classroom you are watching here. Just because I have put my account as education account. If I uncheck it, then classroom will not be shown here. Let me just show you. You can see classroom is not here now. Classroom only provided with the education account. So we have to click it. We can download our details profile using JSON file. This is just something in JavaScript. I'm not going deep into it. And we can create PDF of our profile. If anytime we want to delete our account, we can delete from here also. Manage account, you can change email anytime, you can change password anytime, you can see notification, different notification from Wakelet, you can open it, you can manage your account from here. Language, yes, very useful thing. If anyone wants different language, not English, you can change the language from here. There are so many languages you can choose. Even Hindi we can choose. Whatever language we can choose from here, we know we want, we can choose from here. These many languages are there. Yes, let us come back to home page. Switch account, I can switch account from here. Just I have Wakelet from some other ID also, I can click from here. And it, even if we are working on suppose computer in school or also public computer, then we can share computer, we can log out from that also. There is no need to keep in that, we can log out. Yes, this is just simple how to create our account, how to manage our profile. Okay, let me just create new collection. How to create new collection? It is itself attracting us. This plus sign, I hope everyone is attracted by this plus sign. We are just to click on it, create a new collection. We are to give, this is just designing. I will show it later on. We are to give any title to our collection. Suppose I am creating any collection on flowers. Just I have given the collection name flowers. I can give the description also. This checkbox you are watching, this is a window to paste our link. Okay, let me just get a link first. Suppose I want an article on flowers. Okay, all I'm going to get an article. Suppose, okay, this Wikipedia article I want to share with my students. I have just to copy this link. I will come back and just to paste here. You can see it is showing here now. The same link has been put here. We can open it directly from here. I can show you now. There is an edit button. There is 3 dots here now. Delete. Whatever I myself is creating, I can delete. But if anyone else is sharing with me as a collaborator, I cannot delete. I have shown you earlier. Yes, these are bookmarks. Yes, bookmark is also a very good feature. If I am exploring anyone's collection, let me just show you once. Sorry to come here, but whatever collection of others we just want to save, I have opened someone else collection. I can just bookmark it. I can, and where can I find? I will find, you can see here below my profile, it is written bookmarks. I have just to click here. If I like someone's collection and I want to refer in future, I can key bookmark it and it will be there in my Wakelet itself. I can anytime go in collection directly from my Wakelet account. I need not to search again and again on the explore button. Yes, let us come back to our collection which we are creating. I hope this is very good feature to bookmark. That's why I have moved to that. Yes. This is a link. After link, let me just show you. If you want to write something about flowers, you can write from here. Flowers. You can put anything. If you want to change its side, suppose I just want to give it heading. I want to write a topic on it completely. H1 I can give, H2 I give. I just want to keep, as we do in a document, we can do like this. We can even bold it. We can change the style also. We can work on it. Anything we can write now. Just randomly I am typing. Even link we can put from here also. Let me just put the same link here, or even the not only just click on the link, we can directly put the same link here also. The same link will work. Generally we used to get the link from other sites and put here the link. If we want to write something with that, we should click on this with our own words. The link can work also. Yes, this is for image. If we want to get an image from our own computer, any Jiffy or library provided by Wakelet, again we can click on library provided by Wakelet. We can upload from our computer also. This is from the library of Wakelet itself. We can directly put any bookmark. Yes, let me just click here. I have just bookmarked a collection here. This is plus button will allow me to put that collection in my own collection. If I want to share collection I like from others with my students, I can bookmark and I can put that collection directly in my collection from here itself. This bookmark button is for that. Yes, PDF we can directly go from here. Let me just search. I hope my pop-up windows will not be you visual. Okay, let me just open any PDF directly. No PDF here. These are thumbnails only. You can directly put from your computer. PDF directly from here. And there are more apps here. Tweets. You can directly go to Twitter handle and open there and put any tweet here. I'm just canceling it now. Video, flipgrid video you can create. You can directly go to YouTube. Yes, if we go to YouTube, we are just to search any link from there, and we are to put there. It can be added easily. After that, Google Drive. Yes, from Google Drive also, from OneDrive also, and Creative Cloud Express. This is a designing platform. You might know about this. You can integrate with these many apps, 6 apps. You can directly integrate. You can directly create any video. I have no account in Flipgrid right now, so it will not be open. But you can add so many things in your collection. And anytime if you want a new collection to add, you can go in between, click on this plus button, put any link, use any image, text, anything you want. I have just shown you. You can click on this and add. Yes, I hope it is clear how to create a collection. Nidhi ma'am, is there any doubt till now?
Yes, ma'am. There was one question. Can we use it in Microsoft Teams as well?
Yes, it is shown there. Let me just show you again. I have crossed it as education account. When we are to create classroom, you can use Google Classroom, you can use Microsoft, you can use Clever.
Okay. And ma'am, there is one more question. Can we use it as an assessment tool also?
We can put our forms also there. We can put our forms. We can give a different space for different students also.
Yes, we can embed Google Form or any other assessment.
Notes, any kind of notes from whatever we can put in our Google Drive or OneDrive, we can put here also. Let me just show you if I'm going to use
And
Google
ma'am,
Drive.
is there any storage capacity available for one Wakelet ID? This question was also coming up.
No. There is no storage capacity. You can use unlimited. There is nothing on your computer. It is all on cloud.
Okay, so I mean, is it like different from Google Drive or is it similar to it?
It is on the same platform provided by Wakelet. As much I understand, it is a clouds provided by Wakelet itself.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, let me just show you how to beautify our collection. We have just created collection. We have put 1, 2, 3 things here. How to beautify now? We are just to come to this setting. Uh, yes, this is also one thing. I can, if I want, I can copy my own collection. I can move my collection from one space to another space by clicking on it, and even delete collection from here also and from 3 dots also. There is nothing. Or if I am sharing my collection with others and I want they can copy that collection, then I can allow from here also. This is some of the suggestions in settings. Yes, designing is here in this color palette. You can see I have just created, you just observe yourself here. I have created Wakelet as in bars, horizontal bars. I can change the layout. It is now in compact view. You yourself will see the changes. I can put it in grid. These are grids now. I can put in mood board. Generally for newsletters, we create mood board. We can put like this, and in column way also we can put. In column way also we can put here. Let me just change to media one. I prefer that only. You can change the layout from here, from the color palette itself. You can add a cover image. Yes, I am choosing the same library. I can upload from computer also, but right now I just want to choose flowers. Yes, I can choose any kind of flowers from here, and you will see, yes, it has come in the heading. I can again go back to that. I can edit it, I can change it, I can reposition it, I can increase or decrease its size. You can see on full there is nothing to show, and in the normal page it is there. We can change the size also, however we want to adjust. Yes, still I have beautified the title, but still the background is white, but I can change the background also using this. Yes, full image I can use even half image. Background image I can add in the same way from the computer also, from the library also. From library, if I just want flowers itself or some other place, garden, suppose I just want any garden. Let me just put this. You will see the background is also changed. It will look beautiful while we are studying from here, and the background is as we like. In this way we can create. Yes, all about theme. Yes, let me just see if there anything left. We can create the space directly from here. Yes, spaces I have not created so far. Yes, I think as much about Wakelet, it is totally clear. From my side, there is nothing to add in Wakelet itself, but spaces, how to create spaces. You can create spaces from here, plus sign. You are to enter the name. It is suggesting me what to do. Next step, what to do. Collaborate if we want to collaborate. Next step, how to publish it or not to publish it. Let's go. Create space. You can add the image. You can add a space name. Suppose again I am typing 12th maths. I can create the space. Space is created, it is showing here. I can add any as much collection I want. I think after that, if we want to share the space, we are to come here in the space setting. Space setting, we can do space setting. Publish the profile. Publish profile will be visible to everyone on the cloud if we want. Or for sharing the collection. Space we can also share in the same way. Yes, collection share button is here on the top right. Just click on it. Just you want to share the collection, it is private. By default, the collection is private. If you want to share the collection, you have to make it public or unlisted. Public means everyone can see. Unlisted means whosoever has the link you will share, only that person can see. So I am making it public. I will click on copy the link. Okay, let me share this collection with all of you. With you, please share in the chat box. I will request everyone to add any flower of your choice if you are comfortable with doing it. You can share with QR code, embed with Teams, Classroom, Facebook, Twitter. There are so many options you can share with them. If you want, I have put in link for inviting collaborators. We are to click here. we are to copy this link, or we are to send the email, or copy code. Yes, one more thing, very good thing. If don't have any account in Wakelet, they can directly go to the Wakelet site, and whatever code we will provide to them, they can join using only that code. There is no need that student should create their own account. They
Meena
can.
ma'am, there is one question in between.
Yes, yes.
Can you please show it once again that how to share the Wakelet resources with other? And another question is, can you show the example of assessment on the Wakelet? I mean, that's simply you can embed the Google quiz, I mean, Google form as such, but I could link and understand.
I can show a lesson plan in which I have put
Oh,
so many things. Let me just show the lesson plan first.
and
Okay.
the how to share it. Yeah.
Okay. Sharing, I will show again. This is just a lesson plan I have created, generating coding section. I can share with this student. Let me just show you how student will look at. You can see I have put some images just to attract them. After that, I am asking conic section. We just want to start. I am asking them what they think about these figures and how they are generated. What they think. I have given this Padlet link. In this Padlet, they will put their comments. I can see later. And after that, I have shared them with a GeoGebra link, GeoGebra files. They can click on it, they can work on it. I have given them the guidance. Whatever they will work, I can see it later on. The same GeoGebra, I have given one more link for GeoGebra. After that, I have introduced my video. Just watch it. And now see how the conic section are generated. And now create a mind map, because there we have given some different condition. Just I have suggested to create a mind map using Poplet. I can go there, I can see whatever they have done. After that, they can search randomly from the Chrome browser, any browser they want, and whatever they have learned, they can put in Canva. They can put in Canva. They can create their mind map using Canva also, and after that, they can attempt this quiz. More creative things you can add yourself, whatever in whatever way you want. I think once we learn any tool, we can use in any way we want. There
So
is
I
no.
think Ramaji, your question is answered. So how you can make best use as an assessment tool for to Wakelet.
Okay, sharing part again I'm showing. For sharing, we are just to click on this button, share. Share collection. You can either share directly on Teams, Classroom, Facebook, Twitter, but generally I prefer using link. I can copy this link and paste wherever I want, WhatsApp or mail, wherever I want, I can paste that link. I have just shared this link. I hope Nidhi ma'am you have shared with in chat box.
Yes, ma'am. The Wakelet link we have shared.
Yes. Uh, I request everyone, you can try yourself. Just click on the plus button and add any one photo or whatever you want for flowers. Invite collaborators. If I want to invite others to work with me on the same Wakelet, I just copy this link to share with them, or I can invite by mail. I can put email here, and then after putting the email, I will click on invite. I can directly invite through Team or Google Classroom also if a co-teacher is working with me on the same Wakelet, and they can even copy the code. And there is no necessity that students should create their own account in Wakelet. They can just copy the code and paste there. I hope it is clear, Amit sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it's very much clear.
I think that's all from my side. There is nothing more in it. Space also we can share in the same way.
Ma'am, there was one question coming. Can we create blogs using this Wakelet?
What kind of blogs, ma'am, you are saying? I'm
Yeah,
not
there was
getting.
a question that can we use it for blogging. So is it possible?
No, no, the question says
Yes,
it's like
we
creating
have to
personal
put
blogger.
a blogging link in our backlet. I can say
Yes, we
any,
can
any
do that.
link we can put. We can put our blogging link there. There is a link, ma'am. I have shared with you for some examples using backlit. Please
Yes,
share
ma'am.
in that
I have shared. I
section.
have shared in the comment box. I've shared both the Wakelet links.
Yes, if anyone wants, can ask any question, or we have a little small quiz. Uh,
I'm sharing the link of the quiz in the chat box.
Meanwhile, there are a few more questions, Meena
yes,
ma'am.
sir. Yes, sir.
Do we need to use only Gmail or any email will work? That is
I
already
think
demonstrated in the
any
beginning.
email work, any email work. I have just shown you when we have created the account. It is asking me Microsoft of any other email. It is asking me
Okay.
any,
Yeah.
no
And
restriction.
Tarang, ma'am, she's asking, how do I add anything after joining your Wakelet? So if you have shared
Add.
your
Yes,
Wakelet,
yes. Ma'am, you are just to, you can see this green button. Just click on this plus and add any link. If you want to add image, you can click on the image. If you want to write something, you can write here. You can write here. If you want, click here.
if I'm not wrong, we have a mobile app for the same also for Wakelet.
Yes, mobile app. I just
Yeah.
want to connect that, but sir, that will go lengthy. So I have
No, no,
not.
not an issue. But I just read one comment by Nishatji saying that plus sign to add is not visible, probably in the mobile app.
No, no,
But I
no,
have
no.
used that. It is available. I don't know, maybe
In
some
the
technical.
sir, it is in there downwards in the right most. In the most app, it is in Android app. It is in the downwards right side. I
Yeah.
hope it
So
is
please,
visible to him
please check
also.
out over
Plus
there.
sign. Plus sign.
Yeah.
I want to show that, but it will go lengthy. That's why I have skipped that. There is plus sign in the
Hiralji,
downward.
Hiralji is saying not able to see green plus in your Wakelet, the Wakelet you have shared.
Okay, because I have skipped to share as a collaborator. Sorry, I'm sharing again. Yes, I have shared wonderfully. You have a get the experience of both. As a collaborator, I have to share. Yes. Now you can get the green button. Nidhi ma'am, please share this link in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am. I've shared the link again.
Thank you, ma'am. Sorry, I have skipped that. But it is okay to be sorry. Sometimes you have get the experience of both the backlets where you can add something or where you cannot add something. I think it is open. It green button you can see all now in the new. Just click on and add some images here in this backlit, or you can write something about flowers or about session, whatever you want. Yes, I am already seeing 2 teachers have already joined this backlit. Please add on also. Add on also, just click on the plus button and add on whatever you want. Though we have created using flowers, but whatever you like, you can add. Any link, any PDF, any text, any web link. More teachers have joined so far. Please just add on also. Add on also. Just click on this green plus button. Add something, whatever you like. Amit sir, if there is no query, can we play quiz?
Yes, of course, ma'am. We can. In fact, I was trying to add some resources using my mobile phone. I think I've just added the GG Daily West web link. Is that visible?
In it,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
just.
You haven't refreshed it.
Let me just refresh. Nidhi ma'am, please share that Wakelet link also. There are so many already curated Wakelets. People can
Yes,
watch. Yes, very beautiful now. Very beautiful. People have added so many things. Yes, Amit
yes.
sir, it is visible now. GG Delhi West.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So wonderful resources are being added. We can see.
Yes. Yes. It is the beauty. It is the beauty. We can collaborate. We can save our resources in a very organized way and share with others also in the same way. In single link, we can share so many things. There is no limitation in number of Wakelets, in number of links, in number of resources we can put in a single Wakelet. There is no limit. And no limit in collaborator also. We can share with as many people as we want. It is becoming more beautiful now. Everyone is adding. Yes. Good to see everyone's participation. Let us play a quiz now.
We left with 3 minutes, ma'am. If we have any question, we'd like to take the questions first. In case if someone is using mobile,
Yes.
will the features be same?
Most of the features are same, but you have some other type like plus button for the collection, three dots in the guide replaced by three lines on the top.
Okay. So maybe the layout might be a little bit changed, but
Yes,
most of the
change.
feature are available in the
Yes,
mobile app as
yes,
such.
yes.
Okay,
And
that's
you
great.
can see the notification here. You can see I'm watching here itself that so many people have reacted to this my collection. And yes, one teacher is following also. These are notification for your backlets. If you make them public, you will get the notification. And you will get the notification directly from Wakelet also if we uh, give the account setting in this way.
In fact, it reminded me. In fact, last year I started using Wakelet and I created my own one collection of class 12th, one of the topic. I just shared the link for linear programming problem. And I just forgot. I mean, after that, I use it and I found it very useful. I shared that resources with my kids. They enjoyed having all the things in one collection. But
Yes,
because I was exploring and doing lot many other things, and unfortunately, I forget using Wakelet. But I personally feel now that it is really a very, very nice, wonderful tool, and every educator must use it for sure. What do you say, Nidhi
I
ma'am?
Absolutely, sir. I agree with you. Now, I think it is the time that we can get back to it and get back to Wakelet and create, curate a lot of resources in it.
Yeah, few of the educators are saying they're not able to see that add button. Probably there must be some technical error. So you can refresh your app or you can update your app. That is also possible. But otherwise, most of the educators, they have already uploaded the resources. Just now, I tried using my mobile phone also. So it is working.
sir, I
Yeah, so
think
someone's
he might have clicked on the earlier link.
that is also possible. Yes, that was not in a collaborative manner. Yeah, so that is possible.
Though I have shared the link again, so they can.
There is a yeah, communication gap. Two different links were shared, so probably that is the reason. But you can
Yes.
always try. Every participant, I mean, all the viewers, they can always try it out. So it's a time to share the attendance link. Thank you, Tarang ma'am, for reminding us. I'll share the attendance link just now.
And here I would like to thank Meena ma'am for providing us with excellent training today. The session was very knowledgeable and made us feel confident about using Wakelet. The presentation was really informative, and you talked about so many different ways of using Wakelet in teaching. We have learned that Wakelet is an incredible resource for the blended learning classroom, and it allows its users to curate all media types: videos, PDFs, links, pictures, text, and so on. Also, Wakelet can make the process a lot more entertaining while also challenging you to be more creative in your lessons. You can also embed resources into your lessons so that when it comes to teaching, you will have everything ready to go, all in one place. Thank you, Meena ma'am, for the great
Thank you,
information.
ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Meena,
Thank you,
ma'am,
Amit
before
sir.
we end this session, again, a person is asking a question twice, so we forgot to
Yes,
answer,
yes.
ask that question.
Definitely, sir.
Could not
Definitely.
add GIFs. Is it possible to add GIFs in
Yes,
the?
yes, definitely.
Yes, because
Definitely.
I've seen one Jiffy on your Wakelet. I mean, you have shared. So it is possible. Yes, it is possible. You can
Yes.
always try it out.
This is a Jiffy.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yeah. You can always
Yes.
add that. Exactly.
Any
So thank
kind of
you.
resource we can add.
So thank you all
Thank
the
you,
viewers
sir.
for joining
Thank you
us.
all the
And
participants.
yeah, and there is a Flipgrid session just now started, hosted by GG Pune and Ahmedabad. The session link is shared in the chat box. If you really are interested to know about Flipgrid, you are always welcome to join that session just after we are ending this session. I am very eager to learn about Flipgrid as well. So thank you once again. Thank you once again to everyone who have joined us today for the session. Thank you, Meena ma'am, once again, and welcome to
Thank you.
GG Daily Best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for that also. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you very much. Thank you
Thank
everyone
you,
for joining
everyone,
us.
for
Signing off.
joining.
Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.